Alrighty class, let's look at source transformations and using source transformations as a way to simplify problems. The way source transformation works is you can take a voltage supply in series with the resistor, and that can be replaced by a current supply in parallel with the resistor, or vice versa. If you have a current source parallel to a resistor, it is equivalent to a voltage source in series with the resistor. If and only if, well, first of all, these two resistors have the same value, and if this voltage supply is equal to the current source divided by the resistance, this relationship, and if the current source is equal to the voltage source divided by resistance. Notice that these two are Ohm's law. For example, if I have a 12-volt resistor and that is in series with a 3-ohm resistor and it's attached to some circuit, there's a bunch of stuff out here, and we're looking at that and we're thinking, gosh, it'd be easier to analyze if these were parallel instead of series. Well, you can make them parallel. We can convert that voltage source into a current source, put the resistor in parallel. The only question is, in this equivalent circuit, what's R and what's I sub S? Well, R is the easy part. It's going to be 3 ohms. The next question is, what will the current source be? It'll be the voltage source divided by the resistance. 12 volts divided by 3 ohms. It'll be 4 amps. So if we make this a 4 amp supply and a 3 ohm resistor, this is the equivalent of that and can replace it in a circuit. So here's a little circuit which we look at, and with our current skills, there's several ways we could work this. You could do a nodal analysis. If you really like drawing meshes, you could draw some meshes in here and do some mesh analysis. Or we can try to simplify this a little bit by using the source transformations.